Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and unplugging any devices. This prevents shorting and stray current. Once done, inspect the lightning plug closely under good light to locate dark carbon spots and check pin alignment. Make sure to gather a 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, a soft nylon brush, a microfiber cloth, and a wooden toothpick so you can work precisely without scratching contacts. You want immediate, careful action because light mechanical cleaning will remove carbon without damaging plating or insulation. You apply a small amount of isopropyl to the brush and lightly work each contact surface. Alcohol dissolves carbon and evaporates quickly so it won't linger. Next, use the wooden toothpick to dislodge trapped debris and grooves. Gentle scraping avoids bending pins. Once the bulk is gone, briskly but carefully wipe with the microfiber cloth to lift remaining residue and moisture. Make sure you visually confirm bright, unblackened metal. If residue remains, repeat the targeted brushing and drying process until contacts look clean. You finish by reconnecting to a low-risk device and observe charging and data reliability. This practical check verifies the cleaning worked. If charging is still intermittent, repeat the targeted cleaning, and for stubborn carbon, consider a gentle pass with a fiberglass pen, only on metal contacts and with light strokes. Make sure to avoid sanding, aggressive abrasives, or harsh chemicals because they remove plating. If pins are bent, pitted, or plating is gone, replace the cable to ensure safe, reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.